A Philadelphia nurse is sharing the power of art, weaving her way through life as an artist and healthcare provider. And health reporter Stephanie Stahl joins us now with more on this very inspirational story.
It is inspirational for sure. You know, taking care of people and knowing about their medical conditions supplies this nurse with all kinds of ideas.
I tend to make pieces that are more sculptural or wall hangings.
Weaving, creating art is what Linda Ruggiero does when she's not working as a nurse at Penn Medicine.
I definitely get my inspiration a lot from those experiences in the lab and in other areas of nursing.
In the cardiac catheterization lab, she was inspired by all the tubing and stents.
This one is called Aneurysm.
She explains this creation depicting what happens when there's a troubled artery.
The heart is such a great metaphor for artwork and for opening up and healing and life, and so it was sort of easy to make that connection.
Ruggiero was a neuroscience researcher before she decided to become a nurse 7 years ago.
I just liked the learning aspect.
Early in her nursing career, COVID hit. Penn was bombarded with sick and dying patients. Linda was on the front lines at the hospital.
It was terrible. It was terrible. And it was so heartbreaking, and it just felt like it wouldn't stop.
Making art became her salvation during those dark days of the pandemic.
The piece is called Contained because we had this sense of trying to contain this virus that really was not contained at all in any form.
There are two pieces about COVID. One, a mess of yarn. The other, a little more organized.
This was sort of our trying to keep things tidy and contained with it sort of seeping out on the sides, and this is what I felt like it was in reality, just kind of chaotic.
Now her art is more focused on patients and families in Philadelphia struggling with gun violence and drug addiction.
Being creative has always kind of helped me feel better.
And as if she's not already busy enough, Linda also teaches weaving. She says, by the way, she started knitting when she was in her 20s on the bus as something to do, and boy, has she blossomed.
Wow, Linda's got some skills. We got to get her in a gallery or something.
Yes,
very inspiring.
Uh-huh.
Thanks, Steph.